here's where the rain is going to be. So this comes up to the west of Baton Rouge. From Baton Rouge on up to Macomb, Hattiesburg, whatever you've done so far, you still have much more to go from this. Watch as it rotates in. So all this rain is coming up. The poor folks who have lost already flooding there and St. Charles Parish and up rotating around up to Baton Rouge. Just more and more to come. And this severe one, this produced tornadoes going into the Gulf of Biloxi area, is still coming on. And because the center is moving away so slowly, it's not moving out. And then look at this.
Weather statement for the following counties in Texas: Donald, Ewan, Cameron, and Tennessee. Strong thunderstorms developing over eastern deep South Texas. At 4:50 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected strong thunderstorms developing over western Willacy, southwestern Kennedy, and northwestern Cameron counties. These thunderstorms are moving south at 5 to 10 miles per hour and will produce brief heavy rains, occasional lightning, and brief wind gusts from 25 to 35 miles per hour through 6 p.m. When driving through heavy rain, slow down. Always leave a safe distance between you and other vehicles. When using wipers, turn on headlights. Avoid driving through puddles that could hide potholes or cause hydroplaning. Make sure your headlamps, tires, and wipers are in good condition. Keep an emergency kit which includes a flashlight, flares, and simple hand tools. 7,000 people die in weather-related automobile accidents each year, many due to poor visibility in wet roads. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a small stream flood advisory for minor flooding in Port Range area in central Willacy County in deep South Texas. This includes the city of Raymondville until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists indicated rainfall rates of 2 inches per hour from an area of thunderstorms over Highway 77 in central Willacy County. These storms are moving southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour and will continue to produce brief heavy rains and minor flooding of low-lying roadways and frontage roads in central Willacy County through 6:45 p.m. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the road. The water depth may be too great to allow you to cross safely. Don't become a statistic. Turn around. Don't drown. Coastal hazard message for the following counties in Texas: coastal Cameron and coastal Willacy. High current risk remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Coastal flood advisory is canceled. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has canceled the coastal flood advisory.